Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you QR code payments via your bank's online app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video. Now what you need to do is, if you're using your Barclays bank application, simply head over and open up your Barclays bank application. And once you're inside here, be sure to be logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on the pay option on the bottom. Then once you're inside the pay option or on the payments option, you'll find an option that says scan QR code. Simply select that. Now the next step is to simply point your camera at the QR code, and the app reads the payment details automatically. And then once that's done, all you gotta do is check the recipient's name, amount, and account being paid from. And once done, simply tap on the confirm option on the bottom, and the payment will be sent instantly and confirmation appears instantly. And now once that's done, what you need to do is, if you are using it from PayPal, what you need to do here is simply open up the PayPal application and log into your account. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply tap on the send or request option, and then or simply select scan or QR or pay. Then you may see scan pay QR code option. Simply tap on scan, and now next is to point the camera at the QR code. PayPal automatically details the payment info, and now next is to review and confirm the payment. And now here, once you have reviewed all details like recipient name, amount, payment source, simply tap on pay now or pay or confirm option. Once that's done, payment is now complete and sent instantly, and confirmation appears on your screen. Now if you're using it from a Chase Bank, then what you can do is open up the Chase Bank application and log into your account. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on pay and transfer option on the bottom. You'll find an option that says scan QR code. Simply select that. And once you're inside here, you'll find two options, that is sale and scan code. Simply select scan code to scan the QR code. Now next is to point the camera at the barcode or QR code, and the recipient details load automatically. Then next is to simply check the recipient name, amount, and the account used. And once done, simply tap on send. And then once you tap on send, the money is sent instantly and confirmation shows on your screen. And you can also tap on get receipt to get the receipt. So these are a couple of steps to apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Do like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.